Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are still using basic English sentences like, I'm very hungry or I don't like it, then today's lesson is for you. In this video, we'll cover 50 powerful advanced English sentences. I'll show you what not to say, and what you should say instead, so you can sound more fluent, confident, and natural. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll give you a challenge to practice these sentences in your own life. Let's get started.
I'm very hungry.
I'm very hungry.
I'm starving.
I'm starving.
I'm very tired.
I'm very tired.
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
I'm very happy.
I'm very happy.
I'm thrilled/over the moon.
I'm thrilled/over the moon.
I'm very sad.
I'm very sad.
I'm devastated/heartbroken.
I'm devastated/heartbroken.
I'm very scared.
I'm very scared.
I'm terrified.
I'm terrified.
I'm very angry.
I'm very angry.
I'm furious.
I'm furious.
I'm very surprised.
I'm very surprised.
I'm astonished/shocked.
I'm astonished/shocked.
I'm very nervous.
I'm very nervous.
I'm anxious.
I'm anxious.
I'm very bored.
I'm very bored.
I'm uninterested/I'm fed up.
I'm uninterested/I'm fed up.
I'm very relaxed.
I'm very relaxed.
I'm completely at ease.
I'm completely at ease.
Notice how replacing very plus adjective with a stronger word makes you sound more advanced. Instead of saying very tired, say exhausted. Instead of very happy, say thrilled. This is exactly how native speakers talk.
It's very good.
It's very good.
It's excellent/outstanding.
It's excellent/outstanding.
It's very bad.
It's very bad.
It's terrible/awful.
It's terrible/awful.
It's very easy.
It's very easy.
It's effortless.
It's effortless.
It's very hard.
It's very hard.
It's challenging.
It's challenging.
It's very interesting.
It's very interesting.
It's fascinating.
It's fascinating.
It's very boring.
It's very boring.
It's dull/monotonous.
It's dull/monotonous.
It's very beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
It's gorgeous/stunning.
It's gorgeous/stunning.
It's very ugly.
It's very ugly.
It's hideous.
It's hideous.
It's very funny.
It's very funny.
It's hilarious.
It's hilarious.
It's very strange.
It's very strange.
It's peculiar/odd.
It's peculiar/odd.
Using stronger adjectives like hilarious instead of very funny makes your English sharper and more advanced. Imagine describing a movie which sounds better. It was very good or it was outstanding. Using
I'm very busy.
I'm very busy.
I'm swamped/untied up.
I'm swamped/untied up.
I'm very tired of this.
I'm very tired of this.
I'm fed up with this.
I'm fed up with this.
I'm very lucky.
I'm very lucky.
I'm fortunate.
I'm fortunate.
I'm very smart.
I'm very smart.
I'm intelligent/brilliant.
I'm intelligent/brilliant.
I'm very small.
I'm very small.
I'm tiny/minute.
I'm tiny/minute.
I'm very big.
I'm very big.
I'm huge/enormous.
I'm huge/enormous.
I'm very cold.
I'm very cold.
I'm freezing.
I'm freezing.
I'm very hot.
I'm very hot.
I'm boiling/scorching.
I'm boiling/scorching.
I'm very clean.
I'm very clean.
I'm spotless.
I'm spotless.
I'm very dirty.
I'm very dirty.
I'm filthy.
I'm filthy.
I'm very serious about this.
I'm very serious about this.
I'm dedicated/committed to this.
I'm dedicated/committed to this.
I'm very careful.
I'm very careful.
I'm cautious.
I'm cautious.
I'm very fast.
I'm very fast.
I'm quick/rapid.
I'm quick/rapid.
I'm very slow.
I'm very slow.
I'm sluggish.
I'm sluggish.
I'm very strong.
I'm very strong.
I'm powerful.
I'm powerful.
I'm very weak.
I'm very weak.
I'm fragile/feeble.
I'm fragile/feeble.
I'm very clear.
I'm very clear.
I'm obvious/evident.
I'm obvious/evident.
I'm very confused.
I'm very confused.
I'm perplexed.
I'm perplexed.
I'm very sure.
I'm very sure.
I'm certain.
I'm certain.
I'm very unsure.
I'm very unsure.
I'm doubtful.
I'm doubtful.
These are especially useful in work, school, or professional settings. Saying I'm committed to this project sounds more professional than I'm very serious about this project.
I'm very angry with you.
I'm very angry with you.
I'm furious with you.
I'm furious with you.
I'm very happy for you.
I'm very happy for you.
I'm delighted for you.
I'm delighted for you.
I'm very excited.
I'm very excited.
I'm thrilled.
I'm thrilled.
I'm very thankful.
I'm very thankful.
I'm grateful.
I'm grateful.
I'm very shocked.
I'm very shocked.
I'm stunned.
I'm stunned.
I'm very scared of heights.
I'm very scared of heights.
I'm terrified of heights.
I'm terrified of heights.
I'm very serious.
I'm very serious.
I'm deadly serious.
I'm deadly serious.
I'm very sure about this.
I'm very sure about this.
I'm absolutely certain about this.
I'm absolutely certain about this.
I'm very tired after work.
I'm very tired after work.
I'm completely drained after work.
I'm completely drained after work.
I'm very busy right now.
I'm very busy right now.
I'm absolutely swamped right now.
I'm absolutely swamped right now.
These examples are ready for real conversations. Instead of saying I'm very thankful, say I'm grateful. Instead of I'm very tired after work, say I'm completely drained. See the difference? More advanced, more natural, more powerful.
Great job, everyone. You've just learned 50 advanced English sentences to replace your basic ones. Remember, don't say this, say that. Here's your challenge. Choose 3 of these sentences and try to use them in your conversations today. The more you practice, the more natural they'll become. Write in the comments below. Which advanced sentence is your favorite? I'll reply to as many comments as I can. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with friends who want to improve their English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.